Welcome back to another Brass Hall Sessions. I'm Wolfman, I'll be your bartender. And today I'm going to be making a drink called the Caramel Apple. It features one of my favorite flavors of Crown, and that is the salted caramel Crown. So we're going to start off with a glass of ice. And we're going to do 3/4 ounce of the salted caramel Crown. And 1 ounce of the Crown Apple. Then we need a little bit of lemon juice. And it's typically used with ginger ale, but today we're going to be using ginger beer. And there you have it. That is the caramel apple. Oh, whoa!